From IShowSpeed's crazy new $10 million house with a secret gaming room to a house literally underwater. Today we're going to be looking at houses that YouTubers own, starting from a $1 house owned by MrBeast. Before recording this video, I thought there was no possible way to buy a house for $1. However, of course, YouTuber MrBeast managed to do that. He found a broken house which was almost underwater and purchased it off a man for $1. And it's fair to say this house was almost falling apart. The house came with an old, smelly, broken chair and definitely a smelly mattress alongside a hole in the floor, so you got to be careful that you don't fall. So that house wasn't great, but what about if you bought a house from Amazon? Well, that's exactly what the YouTuber Unspeakable did when he purchased a house on Amazon for $22,000. And well, the house was pretty nice.
Oh my gosh! Oh, it's loud in here. It's pretty nice. What's the point of windows? Can't even see
What do
outside.
the windows do?
Oh, a bathroom.
There's a whole bathroom and a shower.
Wait, there's a shower?
And a toilet.
Bro, you can poop and shower at the same time.
That's
Dang,
crazy.
dude. This is kind of nice. It's just like kind of small.
And as you can imagine, they were quite upset that the house was quite small until they realized you could actually fold it out.
Gosh.
Oh, that's cool. That's what my laptop does.
Yo, the entire house has to fold out. Kind of like a puzzle. We just built a house from Amazon.
He's not lying, that house is pretty good for $22,000. However, imagine if a house was filled completely underwater. Well, that's something we actually don't have to imagine because YouTuber Beem did this for a video. I'm not too sure how much this must have cost, but if I was to guess, probably around $100,000. Now, as you can imagine, this video probably took a long time to film because he had to fill the house all the way to the brim with water. Eventually, he managed to do it, and the outcome was absolutely insane.
I have to go scuba diving to find him again. Let's get geared up.
After spending hours filling up my house,
Have to go scuba diving in my house.
this is my first ever time scuba diving, and the fact that it's in my house makes it even more crazy. It was awesome to do normal activities underwater, such as sleeping, washing our hands, doing the laundry, and opening the fridge for a nice cold drink.
Now, I'm super sorry to say, if you don't like this kid who's on the screen right now, you're about to hate him even more. And the reason is because of his house. Changing the list up a little bit, we have our first ever mega mansion. This mansion is owned by none other than Jack Doherty. And not only has he got a crazy car collection out front, his house is pretty crazy. What's important to remember as well, that this kid is only 20 years old.
But now it's time to go inside. Right when you walk in, you're greeted by this huge living room / kitchen area. This is where a lot of the people hang out when they come over, and this is where we do a lot of the streams and everything. And if you look over here, we got the famous cash crib sign. So we got this blue sign, because I love blue. It's my favorite color. And that's where we watch a lot of the streams and YouTube videos back, you know, after a nice day of filming.
And it wouldn't be a mega mansion without a crazy pool outside.
It's really fun. I think I've only been in the pool like one time, but I'm not much of a pool guy. But one of my favorite things about this house is I've always wanted like an ultra modern Minecraft looking house ever since I was a kid. And now that I finally got that, I feel complete, you know, and I'm only 20 years old.
YouTuber Vicstar, a beloved member of the Sidemen, also has a pretty cool house. Valued at around $6 million, this house comes with everything you'd ever want. And of course, outside in his garden, he has a massive pool and a hot tub.
Which is so tall. It's high ceilings and then it's 2 stories, so it's wild. I love the staircase, the way it goes up. We've got a little fire in here too that is actually doubles up as like an air humidifier. And yeah, it's a hallway. I don't know what else to say. So this is the kitchen / kind of casual living area. We come around here. The kitchen is massive. You could do a lot of cooking in here. Not that I will be. Maybe I should learn. Maybe I should learn. And here we have the pool. You guys know I love to swim. The English weather is not very helpful with that, but here it is. Here we have outdoor shower and the hot tub.
And if you're thinking things can't get any crazier from there, you are absolutely wrong. You see, Jake Paul actually owns a $20 million mega mansion. Not only that, he has a pretty cool car collection as well. On this whole entire list, arguably, this is probably the nicest house there is.
Walk into the house, it felt like you just got blocked. But now it's opened up and it's
really changed this whole entire house, and this is probably my favorite area of the house. Just the art, furniture, the rug, my homie over here chilling. It just feels very, very luxurious. We got the Joseph Klebanski sculpture back here. We got the Joseph Klebanski painting over here.
But check out how big Jake Paul's bed is. This is ridiculous.
This whole room transformed. There was a wall here. We blew the wall out, got a giant bed. This is like the biggest bed that this company has ever made.
You sleep in the middle of the bed or?
Jake Paul also shows you his office where he does all his meetings, interviews, and anything important.
I do all of my phone calls, Zoom calls, interviews, meetings, just working in here.
Streamer Cenat also did a recent video where he did a full house tour of, get this, his $50 million house. I mean, how do you even have that type of money to spend? And well, this stream took him 1 hour to do a full tour. If that doesn't tell you how big this house actually is, I don't know what will.
Yeah. But, you heard me? Anything with this though, like, you gotta understand, there ain't nothing wrong with that though. But when I was a kid, I'd have been like, this is my room. I'd have ran in here.
Bathroom, fire, calm.
Yeah, it's fire though, it's fire, it's fire.
Yeah.
I like this room.
Yep.
I got one of these in my house.
You do?
Yeah.
You be in there, motherfucker?
No.
Oh. Why?
I don't know. What the hell I'm being there for, man?
Cause it feel good.
And right next to the sauna, of course, Cenat has a hot tub.
You probably could jump over this.
You just try.
This more your speed.
Alright.
We chat. We got that. No, not that way, Vert. Vert, don't bust.
And what's even crazier, in another stream, Kai actually showed the view from his house. I mean, having a view like this alone must cost millions.
So follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me. Black history. All right, this is the view that we got. Okay. Oh my God, yo! Over this. Zoom in real quick to the city. Zoom into the city real quick. We go back IRL.
Now, the clip you've all been waiting for. Famous streamer IShowSpeed's house is far from cheap, but it definitely isn't the most expensive house on the list. However, the reason I had to save this to last was because of his secret gaming room. But first, let's check out Speed's house.
Go outside. Boom. What do backflip?
Don't dive though, because it's only like 5 feet, 6 feet.
It's 6 feet?
Yeah, right there.
Come over here. This is I think chat, this is the other living room right here. This is the other living room. Then in here, that's just another bathroom right there. And this is like a movie. I think this is like a little movie thing where you can like watch movies because like you got the movie speakers.
But now for the moment all of you guys have been waiting for, Speed's secret gaming room. It's actually behind a picture of Ronaldo. Who would have guessed it? And I've got to take my hats off to whoever designed this room because they did a very good job. Everything that was used to decorate this room correlates to Speed so much. From the paintings on the wall, to the trophies, to the football shirts, literally everything. And that's why I'm putting this at the top of the list for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to click on one of these videos on the screen. I'm sure you'll absolutely love it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.